Hi, this is Priyanshu. In today's video, I'm going to explain you class 6th mathematics chapter 3 exercise 3.5. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to explain this exercise to you, and if you have any kinds of doubt or any confusion in this exercise, so don't worry about it. In the end of this video, you will have not a single doubt in this exercise. Okay, I will explain this exercise very clear and understandable way to you. Okay, so I will take a lot of time, like I will take 15 to 20 minutes to you, but I will make this exercise very easy and clear to you. Okay, so let's start with our first question. The first question is that find the LCM of the following number by the prime factorization method. Okay, now so there we have to find the LCM is least common factors. It is okay now, multiplication, least common multiplication it is. So how we will find the LCM of these numbers and these numbers and these numbers by the prime factorization. Okay, I will teach you this. I will teach this question very easy and very clear way to you. Okay, so generally what you can do, simply nothing you have to do, we can do this one like that also. You can do this if it is given prime factorization method. It means that you have to write the factor of 12. Okay, now what is the factor of 12 you have to write, and after that you have to write the factor of 15, and after that what is the in this one we have to multiply. But we are not going to do such type of things. Just I'm telling you what you do. Just take 12 and just take the 15. Okay, simply. Okay, after that all what you do, if you have to choose any number to divide this 12 or 15. Okay, you have to choose a number that is going to be divide 12 or 15. Like let's suppose if you choose 2, then you have to divide 12 with 2, and 15 also you have to divide by 2 only. If it is not divisible, then leave it like that only. But you have to divide, if you take as a 2, then you have to divide 12 by 2 only and 15 only. If it is divisible, then divide. If it is not, then leave it. Okay, now if you assume you will divide with 3, then you have to divide with 12 has a 3 only, and 12 has a 3, 15 also with 3 only. Okay, now you understand what I'm telling. I'm telling that if you choose any number here, then you have to divide these all the numbers by that number only. Okay, now let me I tell you how you can do this one. First learn. Okay, then I will tell what is going to be answer. Okay, like this is given 12 and this is given 15. Okay, right, like that. I'm going to divide this by 3 tables, because in 3 tables both can be divided. Okay, now so I'm taking 3 in 3 table, 12 in the 4 times and 15 in the 5 times. Okay, now if you see in the 2 table 4 is there, okay, in 2 times, but in 2 table 5 is not there. So what we can do, you don't have to do anything. If it is in 2 table 5 is not there, leave it like that. Okay, it is going to be like, so now you can divide like this. In 2 table 2 is there in 1 times, but 5 is not there, leave it like 5, this leave 5 like that only. After that in 5 table 1 is not there, so leave it like that. In 5 table 5 is there in 1 times. That's over. Now what you can do right now, here you don't have to do anything, just multiply that all. Like here it is given 3, it is given 2, then it is given 2, then it is given 5, then it is given that is 1, and that's 1. Okay, these only givens, right, like that. Okay, when the 1 is there na, so do like this. Okay, na, so what you have to do, just multiply. 3 2 is 6, 6 2 is 12, 12 5s are, okay, if you count 12 5s are, then how much? It is 60. Okay, na, so 60 into 1, how much is it? Is it 60 only na? 60 into 60, that is going to be 60. So you know what is the answer of this question? The answer is 60. You will write here 60. So 60 is the answer of this question. Okay, this is the way you can do simply. Okay, this is the you can find, if anyone tell to you to find the LCM, then you will find like that. But you know what is our question? Our question is that we have to find by the prime factorization method. Prime factorization means how we have to find this one. Let me tell you how you have to find this. We have to find this one like that. Okay, you have to write the 12, then after you have to write the 15. Okay, now you have to write the factor of 12. So how you can write the factor of 12? Simple, just take a number. This is 12 are there, 12, divide this 12. You can divide this 6 times, then 3 table. Okay, so what you got 2 2 3 right here. 2 cross 2 cross 3 simply. Now take the 15, write the 15. Okay, so this is it is not going to be divided by 2, so it is going to be divided by 5, 3 tables. So 3 table 15 is there. How many times? 5 times. Now 5 ones are 1. Okay, here also if you count 3 ones are 3. If you do like that, then you can write 1 again also, otherwise you can leave it like that. Okay now, so here what is 3 cross 5 cross 1? Okay, so you can write like this, 3 cross 5 cross 1. Okay now here which is the same number, you will write like that. Here what are the commons here? If you see, this is 2 is there, 2 is there. Okay, 3 is here. Okay, I just make sure. Here we don't have to see the common. We here if common is there, then you have to write common one time. Here 3 and 3 are the common, so this 3 and 3 are common, so you have to write one time only. Here 2 are the common, so you have to write one time only. Which are the common here, you have to write one time. So like here if you see, this is 2 is given, yes, 2 is given, 3 is also here, 3 is also here, 3 is common here, so you have to write common in one time only. Here 1 is also common, so write 1 in one times only. But here 5 is also there, write the 5. Okay now, so what is the main of my telling? What I want to say here, that you know what I want to say. Okay, leave it like that. Okay, so what I want to say here, this is 2 here. Okay, this is 2, this is 2 and this is 2. Yes, I written 2. This is 3. Okay, this is 3 I written. Here is also 3 na. Okay, but 3 is also here and 3 is also in that second one also. Both have 3. So you have to write when it is same when you get two numbers same. It is in the first order. If it is in the first order, if it is same, so it is okay, no problem. But if it is in the second order also it is same, then you have to write one times. Like here 3 is also first order, in the second order also it is 3 is there, so both are same na. So you have to write only one times. That's why I am written. But in the first order, these two are the same, but we can write like that. In the first order, if same is there, no problem. But the number which is in the first order, that number if it is in the second order, then don't write 2 times, write only one times. Okay na. So if you multiply this one, then 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 12, 12 5s are 60, 61 is 60 only. So the answer will be 60. So in previously how I am telling you, you can do like that also, 12 by 15. The answer will be going 60 only. If you do like this also, the answer going to be 60. Simple, nothing in this one. Okay, you can do like that or like that. Is it clear to you? Right, so if you understand, but you know this is a prime factorization method. I did this like I don't like that. It means that this is a prime factorization. I'm doing like this. It is a prime factorization method I am doing, and whatever I did in the previously like this is a simple division method, you can say. So you can do like that also or like that also, but most easy for doing LCM this one only. Okay na. Right, so I will erase this one. If you want to note, you can note down. Okay, let's do this question. Okay na, second question we are going to see. So there you can see second question. So how you can solve the second question, let's see. This is 15 is there and this is 25. Okay, so you can find the factor of 15 and 25, and I will explain you that one also. I will explain you this one also. Okay na, don't worry about it. I explain both of this. So let's do the 15. Find a factor of 15. So how you can find a factor of 15? Simply dividing this. So in 2 table 15 are not there, so you will divide by 3. 3 5s are 15 and 5 1s are 5. So what is answer here? We will write 3 cross 5 cross 1. Okay na. Right, after that 25 is there. Let's do 25. If 25 is there, in 3 table 25 not there, 5 table it is there. 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5. So what is answer here? 5 cross 5 cross 1. Okay, is it over? Right, so now what we have to do, this is also simple, just you have to find it. Here we have to see which is common in this one. So here 5 5 are common. So when it is anything is common in this one, so you have to write only one times in the commons. Like 1 1 is common, 5 5 is common. So what is common in this one, you have to write only one times. Like this is 3, write the 3. Then after it is 5 is there, 5 is also here, both are common na, write one time only. Then after here 1, both are the common, this one, write one time only. And after that here what is left? 5 is left na, write 5. Why I am writing 5 again? Because if you look in this section, if you look, I will take eraser here to erase this. Okay, if you see here, 3 is already written, 5 5 both are common na, that's why I written one time here. 5 1 1 in the both of them, that's why I written here. So now here 3 5 is not common here. Why? Because already common is already matched. After that here any is this 5 is matched with anyone? No. So that's why I written here. So after that you can multiply. Now you can multiply 3 5s are 15, 15 1s are 15, 15 5s are, what will be the 15 5s are? Okay, so if you multiply 15 5s are, then 5 2, okay, that's going to be 75. Okay na, 15 5s are 75. Okay, I hope is it clear to you. So the answer is 75. Okay, so now if you want to be check my answer is right or wrong, so you do one thing, you do the LCM. Like if I do like 15 and write 25, now do this like this. In 3 table, if you divide 3 table 15, then you have to also divide the 3 table 25 also. In 3 table 15 in 5 times, but in the 3 table 25 is not there, so like write like that only. Now let's divide this 5 table. 5 ones are 5. In 5 table 25 is there. In how many times? 5 times. Now write in 5 table 1 is not there, leave it like this. 5 ones are 5, that's over. If you divide this one, it is going to divide by 1 table only. So now what we get this number. Okay, now we multiply. So 3 cross 5 cross 5 cross 1. Okay, that's 1 cross 1. Okay, this one 3 cross 5 cross 5 cross 1 1 cross 1. 15 3 5s are 15, 15 5s are how much? 15 5s are 15 5s are 40. That's the going to be I think, is it 1 na? I'm sorry, I'm really sorry, I will write it again. This is 3 cross 5 cross 5 cross 1 cross 1. It is looking like 2 in that time. So 3 5s are 15, 15 5s are 15 5s are 75 only. So the answer is 75. So both have a same answer only. You can do like that also or like that also. Okay, is it clear to you? I hope is it clear. So now let's talk about this 14 and 21. Okay na, let's do it. So here the 14 you can do like this, write the 14 and write 21. So if you take the factor of 14, it is going to be 2 cross 7 cross 1. Okay, if you take the factor of like here 21, then it is going to be 3 cross 7 cross 1. This is a factor if you take it. So here what is common? 7 7 are common, 1 1 are common. So which are common we will write one time. This is 2, write 2. Here 7 7 are common because this one 7 7 are common, so write one time. Here 1 1 are common, so write one time. So in now let's come to the downwards. In 3 is there, write 3. That's over. Okay, which are the common, write it one time only. Okay now otherwise you can write like that also. Like that also, like this is 2 is there 2, then after here it is 3 is there 3. After that write the common one. Which is common? 7 is common, write 7. After that which is common? 1 is common, right? Like that you can write like that also. Now multiply. If you multiply 2 3s are 6. Okay now if you multiply this one 14 and 21, 2 3s are 6, 6 7s are 42, 42 1s are 42 only. So your answer will be going to be 42. Okay, and if you have a doubt, sir, I want to be checked like that also, so you can do this one also. In 2 table 14 is there, in 7 times 21 is not there. In 7 table in 3 table it is there. In 3 table if you say, sir, in 3 table 21 is there, how many times? 7 times. Okay, you can do like that. In 7 table you can do 7 1s are 7 1s are. Now multiply. This is 2 cross 3 cross 7 cross 1 cross 1, multiply 6 6 was 42. Okay, and that's going to be 42 only. So answer is clear, you can do, but you have to write in this way because this is a factorization way. Okay, is it clear? Now I go faster. Now I will do 18 one. So let's do the 18 one. So if you take the factor of 18, it is going to be 2 cross 3 cross 3 cross 1. This is a factor of 18. Okay na? Okay, right, it is clear. Now let's take the factor of 27. If you take the factor of 27, it is going to be 2 cross and I think no, it is going to be okay, it is going to be 3 cross 3 cross 3. This is a factor of 27. Okay na, right? So if you, how I take in the factor, simply this is 18 is there na, divide by 2, this is going to be 9. in it is going to be divided by 3, then it is going to be 1. Okay, this is a factor. This is 27. If you take the factor of 27, in 2 table not there, in 3 table there, in 9 times, then it is in the 3 times. That way 3 3 3, and 3 is going to be divisible by 1, that's 1, so it is 1. Okay, this is a factor. Okay, now I take directly factor because I have been idea, that's why. Here which is common, circle it. Okay, now which is common, like 3 3 is common, 3 3 is also common, 1 1 is common. So which is common, we write only in 1 times. So here we will write like that. This is 2 is there, write 2. Then after 3 is there, write 3. Then after anything, no, anything is not there. There is only common thing. This 3 3 is common, so write it once. This 3 3 also common, write it 1 times. This is 1 1 common, write it 1 times. So we have to first find the common, and which is the common, you have to write the common 1 time only. So now multiply. 2 cross 3 6, 6 3s are 18, 18 3s are 54, 18 3s are 54, 51, 54 into 1, that's going to be 54 only, that's going to be 54. So this is your answer. Is it clear to you? Right, so this is the answer. Particularly you can do like that. Okay, otherwise if you have a doubt, sometimes like this is 3 3 is there na, so you can write like this, 3 square. 3 square means if you see a square on the top, it means that this 3 is counting has 2 times. Okay, now don't be confused. If 3 is 3 power, this is called 3 power 1. If 3 power 1 means that 3 is 1 time. In the this is 3, if you put above the 3, then it means that 3 is in the 3 times. If it is 2 and I put it the 4 on the above the 2, then it means that what, this 2 in the 4 times, 1 2 3 4, it means that one only. So don't be confused. Okay, if you see, your teacher will also explain like that only, but don't go through that one, etc. Mathematics is just understand and solve, answer will be same. Okay now, so now if you have a check your answer is right or wrong, so you can do like that also. 18 by 27. Now let's check it by 3 table. In 3 table 6 times, it is 9 table. Now in 2 times, it is 3 times. Multiply 9, 9 to 18, 18 3s are 54. Simply 3 cross 3 cross 2 cross 3, multiply this one, 54 only. If you say sir, no sir, this is 2 1s are 2, then sir is this 3 1s are 3, the answer will be same only. Okay na, right? Is it clear? Right, so let's talk about the fourth one. Sorry, this one. Okay now, I just take this question again. I move it. Okay, it is going to be more. Okay, this is not going to be. What happened? Okay, I will here. Okay, not lot of question coming, but okay, leave it like that. Okay, so let's talk this one also. So let's talk about this one. Okay now, let's talk about this question about. Okay, I will take another pen. Let's talk about 48. Okay, 48 and 56 and 72. In this one, let's see. I'm sorry. Okay, so let's find out the factors of that 48. So you can do like this. In 2 table it 4 times, this is going to be 12. In 2 table 12 in 6 times. In 2 table 6 in 3 times, that is going to be 3 1s are 3. So this is a factor of 48. You can write like this: 2 cross 2 cross 1 2 3 4 4. 2 is in the 4 times. Okay, then after 3 cross 1. Okay now, you know one thing, you can write like this also. This 2 is how many times? 1 2 3 4 times na. So you can write 2 to the power of 4 cross 3 cross 1. You can write like that also, but it is confusing, you will get confused, so that's why I'm written like that. Okay now let's talk about the 56. Let's take the factor of 56. It is going to be 2, it is 8, then it is going to be 1 4, then it is going to be 2 7, that's going to be 7 1. So 1 2 3, 2 is how many times? 3 times. 2 cross 2 cross 2. Okay, then after it is going to be cross 7 cross 1 over. Okay, now let's take the 72. Okay now, this is going to be 72. I teach mathematics very slowly and clear way to you. Okay now, this is going to be 2. Okay, 3 6. Okay now, how it is going to be 72? Because if you divide by 2, it is going to be 3, and this is going to be 6. 1 is left, this is going to be this. Okay, this is 36. Okay, this is 2. So here one time, here it is going to be 18, here it is going to be 9, and then after if you do this, 3 ones are 3, and this is 3 ones are 3. Okay, so if you want 2 3, 2 is okay, so here 2 is 3 times. Okay, then after 3 is 2 times, so 3 is 2 times, then after 1. Okay, is it clear? Right now we have to find the common in this all. Okay na? So if you want to find a common, then here 2 is a common here. Okay, here also 2 is common, here also 2 is common. Now here 2, is it 2 here? No. Is it 2 here? No. 3 is here, is it 3 in here? No. Is it 3 is here? No. Is it here but not common? Why? Because if 3 is here and 3 is here, but if it is not here, then it is not common. Okay na? Here 1 is there, here is also 1, here is also 1, so it means that it is a common. Okay, it is a common. Is it a common? So we can do like this. Is it common? Now we have to write. So how we can write this one? So we can write, first of all, which is not common, write this one. Like 2 is not common, write 2. Then 3 is not common, write 3. Then here 7 is not common, write 7. Then after here 3 is not common, write 3. Then after also 3 is not common, then 3. Okay, after it, which is common? 2 is common, 2 is common, 2 is. This 2 is common, 2 is common, 2 is common. Okay, this 1 2 3, 3 2s are there, 3 3s, 1 is common. Okay, now right, now let's check it out. So if you want to be check, okay, if you want to be check this one, okay, so multiply. If you multiply 2 3s are 6, 6 7s are, if you multiply this one, okay, wait a minute. Okay, right, so if you multiply 2 cross 3, that's going to be 6. 6 cross 7, it is going to be 42. 42 cross 3, it is going to be 126. 126 cross 3, it is going to be 377. Okay na? Then after you can go through the 2. Okay, then you can cross 2, that's 755. Then cross 2, then 155. Then cross 2, it is going to be 102, and then after 1. Okay, so this is 2 3 7 3 3 2 2 2. If you cross this one, you know what is your answer? What is the HCF of this one, you know? Okay, so this is going to be 48 and 7. Okay, this is a 72 na. Okay, if you multiply this one, this is 1 2 3 4, and this is 3 2 and 3 1. This is okay. What are the common? 2 4 times. Okay, 3 2 times. Here 3 is 2 times. Okay. 3 is here in 3 times. Okay, 3 is 3 times. How it is happening? And 7 is 1 time. Okay, that's cool. You know, one thing is missing. I think I did anything mistake anywhere. So let's check it out again in this one. Okay na? Just wait it. 48 is there. Let's find out. Okay, 48 is correct. There is a 1 2 3 and cross 3. 53 is also correct only, and this 72 is 2. This one is wrong. 72 is wrong. Okay, 72 one is, once check it, 72. This is 72 is there na. In 2 table it is 3 and then 6. Okay, in 2 table this is 1, this is 8. In 2 table it is 9. Okay, and this is in the 3 table, it is, that's one also correct. Okay na, that's going to be 3 and 6, 1 and 8. This is going to be 2 9. This is going to 3 1 2 3, 3 times. Okay, and this is also 2 times. Okay, this is 3 and 2 times. So what are the commons? 1 2 3 4. Okay, I think it is also right. Now let's do again. Here 2 and 3s are there, not common. Okay, here 2 cross 2 cross 2. Okay, 2 cross 2, first common one and then cross 1. Then after this is 3 is the 2 times. Okay, I think here 3 is also there, 3 is also there. So that is the one time we have to write. Okay na, because it is common only na, so it is already in this one. So that's why we have to write one time, and then after 3 is there, write 3. Then after 7, and if you multiply this one, that is going to be 1008. Okay, so what happened here, you know, everything is correct, but here we didn't did this one. This is 3 is here, 3 is also here, both are common only na, both are common. So that's why it is we have to write one time. So whenever you get any one common, if it is If it is 2 number is also common or 3 number is also common, then we have to write. Like here, if you say 2 is not here, that's why it is not common. 7 here, 7 is not here, that's why. Okay, so this is a something mistake. This is a not a small mistake, I can say. It is my mistake only, but I correct it here. Okay, so is it clear to you now? If you have doubt, no, it is not clear, then let's do the like how we are doing previously, like 48 and 56 and 72. Okay, let's find out like that. Okay, this is a very easy way to do this. Okay, we divide with 2, so this is going to be 2 and 4, this is going to be 2 and 8, this is going to be 3 and 6. Okay, now you can do with 4 table also, so you can do 6 times and 7 times and 6 times also. Okay, not 6 times, this is 9 times. Okay, you can do with 3 table, 2 times, 7 times and 3 times. Now it is clear. Now you can multiply. 2 4s are 8, 8 3s are 21, 21 into 2, that is going to be 242, 42 into 7, it is going to be 4, 1 19 and 3 times, 294 into 3 times. Okay, not it is like that, just wait. Okay, what happened? Okay, just look at here. Okay, this is there now. So if you multiply, if you multiply here and okay, wait a minute. Okay, so if you multiply 2 into 4, that is 8, 8 into 3, that's 24, 24 into 2, that's 48, 48 into 7, that's 3 3 36. Okay, into 7, if you multiply by 3 only, into 3, that is going to be 1008. Both are same only. Okay na? If you multiply this one, if you multiply 2 cross 4 cross 3 cross 2 cross 7 cross 2 cross, the answer will be 1008 only. Okay, is it clear? So both are the same answer, nothing in this. Okay, is it clear to you? Right, so this fifth question is clear. So if fifth question is clear, then let's talk about the this question. This is our last question, I think. This sixth one I will talk about here. Okay, let's talk about the sixth one here. That's going to be 26, 14 and 91 and 91. Let's see this question. So now let's do this question. So let's find a factor of 26 and a factor of 14 and factor of 91. Okay, so if you find a factor of 26 here, so let's see here, 2 ones are, or it is going to be 3. Okay, 23 only, 13, and it is going to be 30 ones are 13. Okay, so you can write like this, 2 cross 30 cross 1. Okay, it is over. Now let's find the factor of this one. So it is going to be 2 cross 7 cross 1. Okay, if you find a 91 factor, then it is going to be divisible by 7. 7 ones are 7, if you 7 3s are 13. Okay, in 13 table it is 1 time, so this factor is 7 cross 13 cross 1. Now let's see the common in this one. Okay, now let's see the common. So here if you see here, this 2 okay, I will take another pen here. Here 2 are common. Okay, here 7 and 7 are common. Okay, then after 13 is there, this is also 13, this is also 13, these are the common. Here 1 is also common. So which are the common? We have to write only 1 times. This 2 is common, 7 is common, 13 is common and 1 is common. Okay, now we multiply 14 3s are 182, 182 into 1, that is going to be 182 only. Okay, is it clear? Right, so if you have a doubt, then you can do like that also, like 26 is there, 14 is there, 91 is there. So let's do with the 2. In the 2 table we can do 2 ones are or 2 3s are. This is going to be 7 times, this is going to be, it is not divisible 91, so we'll like leave it like this. Okay, so now we are going to do with the 7 table. In 7 table 13 is not there, 1 is there, and in 7 table 91 is there into 13 times. So now we can do this in the 13 table, 13 ones are, and this is 1 and this is going to be 1. Now we can multiply this, 2 cross 7 cross 13 cross 1. Okay, now if you multiply this, the answer will be 182 only. Okay, so I hope this question is going to be clear to you. Okay, if it is clear, so you can, this is a original method because it is telling to you to write the prime factorization method. So this is over. Okay, now let's do our second question. The second question is that find the LCM of the following numbers division method. Okay, we have to find the LCM. This is a very simple. We have to do with this like that. Okay, now I tell you, we we have to do like this. Like this is 84 is there, 112 is there, this is 196 is there na. We have to divide this by any particular number. So let's take 2. Okay, in 2 table, this 4 in 4 times 8 is there, in 2 times it is there. This is it is in the like 5 table and 56 table. Okay, this is in the 9 table or 8 table. Okay, now in 2 table 42 is there into 21 times, in 56 is there into the 28 times, in 98 is there into the 49 times. Okay, if you see this number, it is exactly divisible. This all are exactly divisible by 7. Okay, 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 48. Okay, 7 4s are 28. Okay na. Okay, 7 7s are 49. It is clear. Now if you divide this one, so you can divide like this: 3 1s are 3, then 4 will be left and 7 will be left, because it is not divisible, so as it is it will come. This is 4 is there na, so we can write 4 1s are 4. Otherwise you can divide by 2 also. This is 4 is there na, so if you divide 2 1s are 2, it is going to be 2, and then so if you multiply that is going to be 4 only na, so directly we are going to do with 4 1 only. So this is going to be, otherwise you can do with 2 1 also, nothing problem. So you do 4 1s are 4, otherwise you just do with 2 1 only, because you will get next time whenever you do, you will get confusion. Okay, so let's do with 2 1. So this is 2. Okay, in 2 table it is already there in 7. Okay, now let's do it again. 1, and this is 2 1s are 2 and 7, and now you can do 7 1s are, this is 1 and this is 1. Okay, is it clear? Now you have to multiply this one. Okay, I will take this question to something down. Okay, let's take, now you have to multiply this. So how you can multiply? Write this one. This is 2 cross 2 cross 7 cross 3 cross 2 cross 2 cross 7 cross 1 cross 1. This is 1 cross 1 given, so you can write like that, otherwise you can leave it. If you multiply this one, so you know what is the what will be the your answer of this one question. So your answer will be 2 3 52. So this is your answer. If you multiply this one, and then like 2 into 4 4 7s are 28, 28 3s are, and that's one. Okay, so if you multiply, your answer will be 2352. Okay, now let's check it out, the second question. So this question is simply simple like that only. We have to take 102, 119 and 153. Okay, let's do this one, 1911. Okay, so let's do this with the 2 table. In 5 times it is there, it is 1 times. In 2 table 119 will not divide, 153 is also not divide. I think in the 3 table we can divide this. In 3 table 51 is also there, 3 is 1 times and 7 times it is there. 199 it is not in the 9 table, we leave it. This is also there 5 times and 1 times, and this is going to divisible by 17 table, 71s are. Okay, so now we have a question like in 17 table, if you divide 119 into the 7, like in 17, so how many table it is there? In the 7 times it is there. Okay na, like if you talk about 51, is it divisible by 17? In 7 it is in 17 table 51 is there, yes it is there in 3 times. Okay na, so now we can do this one. 7, this is 7 1s are 7, 3 will be as it is. Now you can do 3 1, that's 1, and 3 1s are 1. Okay, now you multiply this all. So this is 2 cross, this is 3 cross, this is 17 cross 7 cross 3 cross 1 cross 1 cross 1. You know what is the answer of this one? Let's multiply. 2 cross 3, if you multiply, that's 6. 6 cross 17, if you multiply, 102. If you multiply 102 by 7, it is going to be 714. If you multiply 714 into 3, it is going to be 2142. And this is 1 into 1 into, if you multiply, the answer will be 2142. Okay, is it clear to you? I hope you will have not a doubt in this one. Okay, right, so is it clear? So if it is clear to you, then let's talk about the another one. Okay, is it okay? Right, so let's talk about the second question. Okay, 2142. This one also is same, nothing we have to do. This is 45 is there, 99 is there, 132 is there, and this is 165 is there na? Just take a LCM of this one. This is exactly looking like it can divide by the 5 6. It is divisible by 3. Okay, this is going to be divisible by 3 into the 15 times. This is going to be 3 times, and this is 5 6. It is also divisible 4 and 4 times. Okay, this is also divisible it is also divisible. This is divisible by in 3 table 16 is not there, 15 is there in 5 times, and 1 is going to be 55 only. Okay, we do this, and this is also divisible by 3. In 3 table 15 is in the 5 times, this is going to be 11, and this 44 is not divisible, so write like that. This is going to be divisible by 11. Now we can divide this into 11 table. In 11 table 5 is not there, write like that. In 11 table 11 is there in 1 times. In 11 table 44 is there in how many times? In 4 times. In 11 table 11 is in the 1 time only. So now we can divide like 5 1 and it is 1, this is going to be 4, and this is 1. Now you can divide 4 has a 2 table also or 1 table also. Okay, just wait a second. I take this question. Okay, not this one. Okay, so I choose here. Okay, so if you divide this by 2 table also, so it is going to be 1 and 1, and this is going to be 2 and this is 1. So if you do like 2 table also, this is going to be 1 and 1. Okay, over. Now what we can do, you can multiply this one. So 3 cross 3 cross 11 cross 5 cross 2 cross 2. If you don't do this one also, 4 table you can do directly also. 4 1 4. If you multiply 2 cross 2, that is 4 only na. So you can do this 4 table also. So but leave it like that. No, it is not a worry about it. So whatever in this one, so this is 1 cross 1 cross 1 cross 1. So you don't need to write 1 because your value will be same. Okay na, your value will be same. So if you write the 1 also, your value will be same, nothing will be changes. So 9 9 ja 3 3 ja 9, 9 11 ja, that is going to be 99. 99 into 5 if you do, that's the 455. 455 if you do with the like okay, this is 99. If you do with 5, that's 455. If you cross bit 2, then it is going to 990. If you do with 2, then it is going to be 198. Okay, 1980. This is the answer of this one, third question. Is it clear? Now let's see the answer of this all. So you can see this is the answer of this all question. Is it clear? Right, so if it is clear, then I will erase this question because already we have to third question is here. So let's erase this one. So I will erase it. Okay, I will erase this. Right, so over it is, already it is clear. So let's talk about the third question. Third question I will talk about here. Okay, so this is our third question, and what is the third question is telling here? Find the smallest number which when add 5 to exactly divisible by this one. Okay, we have to add something. We have to find a smallest number which when we add 5. Okay, we have to find a smallest number by we have to find a smallest number. In the smallest number, when we add 5, then this 12 14 and 18 exactly divide that number. So here we have to write something number. When we add 5 on that, then this 12 14 and 18 divide that number. Okay, so how we can find? This is easy. First let's find the LCM of this number. Find the LCM of this number, 12 14 and 18. If you find the LCM, like 2 6 2 7 2 9. Okay, now it is divisible by 3. 3 2 7 is as it is 3. If you do like this, 2 1 2, 7 will be as it is 3. If you do with 7, so 1 7 is 1 and 3. So if you do with 3, then 1 1 and 1. Okay, now multiply this one. So 2 cross 3 cross 2 cross, okay, 2 cross 3 cross 2 cross 7 3, and 1 1 is there. You can write, or otherwise leave it like that, because if you write the 1 1 also, no need, because the answer will be same only na, because 6 6 2 is a 12, and if you 12 7 if you count, this is 6 6 2 is a 12, and 12 7 if you count 14, and that's 1, that's going to be 7 8 84. 80 cross 3 if you do, that is going to be 12 1, and that's 255. Okay, right, so right, so this is answer will be 255. If you multiply 255 into 1, 255, 251 into 255, so the answer is 252. Okay na, how this answer is coming? By multiplying this one. So here the answer is 255. So let's take, here it is telling now you have to write the smallest number. So here I'm writing the smallest number is, so here I'm writing the smallest number is, let's take this is a 255. When we add this 255 plus 5, what will be the answer? The answer will be, okay, so the answer will be here, if you add this 257, the answer will be 257. Okay, the answer no, it is what it is telling, when we have the smallest number which added to be minus here it is telling that exactly divisible by this one, to add it to. Okay now, so here we have to subtract, not add. Okay now, let's do. Here we have to subtract, not here we have to subtract. What is telling? Find the smallest number which even added. Okay now, which added to be 5 exactly divisible by this one. Okay, so if you do this one, if you subtract, okay now if you subtract this, let me I tell you, if you subtract, we have to subtract in this one. When it is telling added to here, then we have to subtract. When it is telling subtract, then you have to add. Okay now, so when you subtract in this one, like this is 252, if you subtract, this answer will be 247. This 247 is exactly divisible by 12, 14, 18 also. Okay now, so this is a very this is a smallest number. Okay na, in this smallest number, if you add what is the smallest number, it is telling a smallest number na, so the smallest number I written 247 is the smallest number. Okay, in this smallest number, if you add 5 also, this is 5. If you add, what is going to be, it is going to be 252, and this 252 is exactly divisible by these all numbers. Are you understand what I am telling? I am telling this question is telling we have to add 5 on that, that is going to be exactly divisible by this one. So I taken the common in this one. So what I get, the common is 252. Common is 252. So in this common number, I subtracted from the 5 to get 244. So I get a 244. So what is the smallest number I take? I take the 244 is the smallest number. If you add 5 in this one, if you add this 5, then what is the what is your answer? The answer is 254. The answer is 254. This 254 is exactly divisible by these all numbers. Simply, you understand what I am telling? Here it is telling you have to add a smallest number. If you add a smallest number, then you have to add 5 on that. If you add 5 on that, then this number is going to be exactly divisible by these numbers. So I take it a small number, I added 5 in this, that is going to be 254. And in this 254, this 252 will divide 12, 14 and 18 also. Okay na? Generally here why I subtracted here, simply if you get to 54, then here it is telling you have to add on that. If I added on that one, so it is going to be 257. It is not exactly divisible by this number, so that's why what I did, I subtracted 247. So I have to write any smallest number, so I written 247 is the smallest number. I added 5 on that, and the number is going to be same only whatever I get. And if this number is there, you can divide this exactly, this 12, 14 and 18 exactly divide that number. Simply I do this one. Okay now, so simple you can do like this. You have to do like this. What you have to find this one. So you can write this one, answer 254 minus 5, this is 245, and then after this one you can add. Okay now, 247 if you add 5, okay, this is the smallest number, and this is add 5, this is 254. This 254 is exactly divisible by 12, 14 or 18. Okay, is it okay? Right, so let's talk about the fourth one. Find the greatest 3-digit number. Okay, we have to find the 3-digit greatest number which dividend by the 70, 14 and 16 and leaves no remainder, and the remainder in the 4 in the each cases. Okay, so this question is also interesting here. So now what we have to do? Nothing, just find the just take the LCM of 75, 45 and 16 only. Okay, so let's do. Okay, so let's do the LCM of 75 and 45 and 60. Okay, now this is exactly divisible by 5, I think. So this is 5 1 5, and it is going to be 5 15. This is 9 table, and this is going to be 12 times. Okay, in 3 table it is going to be divided. In 3 table this is going to be 4, and in 5 1 5, this is 3 is there, 4 is there. In 2 table it is going to be 1 3, and this is 2. So you can write like this also. So 5 cross 3 cross 5 cross 1 cross 3 cross 2. Okay, if you do like this, 3 1 then answer will be 3 only na. If you do multiply 15 5 15, if you multiply 15 5, that's going to be 5 and 2, that's going to 75 3. Okay, 75 3, if you do 75 2, let's do. Okay, 75 3, okay, 75 3, that's going to be 15 and 1 21. Okay, 21 plus 1, that's going to be 22. 22 into 2, that is going to be 500, I think, or 900 it is going to be. Okay, 75 cross 3, it is going to be 15 5 1 2 22. 20 cross 2 goes to 3, it is 2 is there na. just wait a minute. Okay, just wait a minute in this one. This question is not very hard. Okay, we have to take the, here what I did, here I taken the 5, this is going to be 1, this is going to be 25, this is 9 times, this is 1 time, this is 12 times. In 3 table, 15 in 5 times, in 3 times, this is in the 4 times. In 5 table I did like this, 5 ones are 5, this is 3 and 4 is remainder, so I did with 2, this is 1, this is 3 and this is 2. Now if I do multiplication, then it is like this, 5 cross 3 cross 5 cross 2 cross 3 cross 2. This is like this, 5 cross 3, 5 cross 2, 3 cross 2. Okay, now 2 is 2 times, yes, 3 is 2 times, yes, 5 is also 2 times. So if you multiply 15 5s are, if you multiply 15 5s are, that's going to be 5 and that's going to be 2, that's 75. Okay, 15 5s are 75. 75 2s are, if you multiply 75 2s are, that's 10, 1, 14 and 15, that's the 150. 150 into 3, that's going to be 450. 450 2s are, that's going to be 900. So the answer is 900. The answer is 900. So the answer is 900. Okay, now the answer is 900. So now what we have to take, so I erase this one. You have to just take the 900. The LCM of this one is 900. So first question, okay, let's write the first question. Greatest 3-digit number divisible by 900. Okay, so greatest 3-digit number, so write like this, 3-digit greatest number, that is the 900. Okay, if you divide 900 by these numbers, okay, it is going to be leave a remainder. Okay, now so now this question is telling, okay, this is going to be no reminders. If you divide 900 by 75, 45 and 60, it is going to be leave no remainder. So this is the answer. Okay, now let's do the second question. The remainder is 4 in the each cases. So you know, if you take this one, this is going to be 900. If you take the LCM of this one, this is 900. So it is telling every case it is going to be leave a remainder 4. It is going to be remainder 4. So let's subtract minus 4 in this one. So the answer is going to be, if you subtract this one, 896. Answer is going to be 896. So the answer is 896. Why? Because if you divide 75, 45, 60 to the 896, it is going to leave remainder always 4. Always 4. It is going to leave the remainder. Okay, na? So this is the answer. Right? Is it clear? Now let's talk about the fifth one. Fifth one is telling Prasad and Raju meet in the market on the 1st of this month. Prasad goes to the market every 3rd of the day. Raju goes to the every 4th of the day on water. When will be the meet again? So simple, nothing. We have to just take the LCM of 3rd or 4th day. Okay, 1st day goes 3rd day and 4th day. We have to just take the LCM of 1st day, 2nd day and 4th day. Take the LCM of 1st day, 4th, that's the 3rd day and the rest 4th day. Okay, now this is going to be one table, that's 1. Okay, this is 3, this is 4. Okay, in 3, okay, this is 1, this is 1, this is 4. Okay, this is going to be 4. Okay, this is 1. Now multiply 1 cross 3 cross 1. Okay, no need to write 1 1 1. Okay, if you multiply 3 1 is 3, 3 4 is, that's going to be 12. So this is 12. So when they will meet, so you can write they will meet again on the 12th day of the month. Okay, so this is exactly completed. So actually what is telling, Prasad is Raju meet in the market first of the month. Prasad goes to the every 3rd day of the day and the Raju 4th day. So if you take the LCM of 1st and 3rd and 4th day, so it is going to divisible by 1 1 1 3 3, it is 1. So it is going to be, if you multiply this, it is going to be 12. It means that when they will meet next time, so they will meet again on the 12th day of the next month. Okay, of the month. Right? Is it clear? So this is the answer. So this exercise is totally ended here. Whatever in this exercise I totally explained it. and I know that in this exercise somewhere I also like get it confused by doing the calculation. I also get it somewhere confused, but this is one of the biggest mistake I done. That one I very a bit about this one, but I'm really sorry for that. I did some calculation mistake in totally, and I'm totally aware with that. But I give 100% of my, and if anywhere you didn't understand this question, in any question if you didn't understand anywhere, so don't worry about it. You just tell me that question, I will explain that question again to you. Okay, so I hope this video is going to be very helpful for you, and we will meet into the next video. Jai Hind.